Greetings, Marcus here from Coaster Touring and Ride and Park Media with a very quick update on the DJI Osmo Pocket saga that I was having. You may recall I had an issue where the gimbal wasn't activating and it appeared to be to do with the tilt. Well, I sent it back to DJI and finally I have a replacement back. They accepted that I hadn't caused the damage that meant it stopped working, so happily they haven't charged me the £50 that they were threatening to charge. Now, interestingly, they haven't sent me back the one that I sent to them, so they haven't repaired my one. I know that because the serial number's different, and I also know that because it appears to be a slightly different Osmo here. So I'm wondering if they completely changed the designs from the early models. And the change is that here, it's got like a rubber coating. The one that I had was just completely smooth plastic. There was no rubber, and it was a little bit slippery. So I'm guessing from the initial feedback, because I got mine on pre-order from the moment it was launched, I'm wondering if the feedback was people were struggling to grip it. So they've made this slight modification and put in a rubberized intersection there. Also, since I've sent it back, they've released new firmware, and the new firmware allows things like Cine Light D color profile, and you've got the full Pro settings now built into the Osmo Pocket itself. You don't have to plug your phone in order to access some of the Pro settings. Anyway, I had a quick play with it yesterday. I used it in conjunction with my Wiral Lite zip wire camera system, and I had a play with it in some woods, and here's a quick look at some of those shots.